مرحبا أهلا وسهلا بكم. Welcome again to our Gateway to Arabic series with me, Dr. Imran Hamza Alawiye. Today's lesson is going to be from page 59 of our book Gateway to Arabic Book 5 as we continue studying our cardinal numbers. Today's numbers are 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, and 91. What's 21 in Arabic? 21 in Arabic is واحد وعشرون. That's if you are counting masculine. Because number one is always in line in terms of gender with items being counted. So واحد وعشرون رجلا, 21 men. 21 women would be واحدة وعشرون امرأة. Okay, so you can see that واحدة is feminine because number one, regardless whether standing alone or part of any number, as it is the case here, has to be of the same gender of items being counted. As for Ashuruna, is not a gender-based number, as we mentioned during last lesson. So, now 31 would be the same pattern. You say واحد وثلاثون رجلا, 31 men. And 31 women would be واحدة وثلاثون امرأة. Okay. 41 would be واحد وأربعون رجلا. 41 women, واحدة وأربعون امرأة. 51 men would be واحد وخمسون رجلا. And for women would be واحدة وخمسون امرأة. 61 men would be واحد وستون رجلا. For women be واحدة وستون امرأة. 71 men is واحد وسبعون رجلا. And 71 women is واحدة وسبعون امرأة. 81 men is واحد وثمانون رجلا. And 81 women is واحدة وثمانون امرأة. 91 men is واحد وتسعون رجلا. And 91 women is واحدة وتسعون امرأة. Okay. And that is what we call nominative marfu', when the number in question is in the nominative position, such as what we call fa'il. It is the subject of the verb. An example of that, using number 21 as template, is حضر. That's a verb to attend. حضر واحد وعشرون رجلا درس اليوم. حضر واحد وعشرون رجلا درس اليوم. 21 men attended the lesson today. 21 women attended the lesson is حضرت واحدة وعشرون امرأة الدرس اليوم. Okay, so what we said now about number 21, you apply that to use 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, and 91. What about if the number is in accusative, which means mansub, such as when it is the maf'ulun bihi object? An example of that is درست واحدا, not واحد because it's مفعول به. درست واحدا وعشرين, not عشرون. Once you say واحدا, you have to say عشرين. So درست واحدا وعشرين رجلا اللغة العربية اليوم. I taught 21 men the Arabic language today. And I taught 21 women the Arabic language today would be درست واحدة وعشرين امرأة اللغة العربية اليوم. Okay. What about if it is in the genitive, majroor? And one of the situations where it can be majroor is when you have preposition, harf jar, before it. Such as ذهبت مع, that's your preposition, harf jar, مع. ذهبت مع واحد وعشرين رجلا إلى المكتبة اليوم. I went with 21 men to the library today. ذهبت مع واحد وعشرين رجلا إلى المكتبة اليوم. Equivalent to say I went with 21 women to the library would be ذهبت مع واحدة وعشرين امرأة إلى المكتبة اليوم. You can see when it is in the nominative marfu, such as fa'il, subject, we are saying wahidun and we are saying ishruna. When you say wahidan or wahidatan for female, you have to say wa'ashrina and then the noun. Also, if you say wahidin or wahidatin, again you say wa'ashrina. So look at that pattern and the explanation and apply that to ثلاثون ثلاثين أربعون أربعين خمسون خمسين ستون ستين سبعون سبعين ثمانون ثمانين تسعون and تسعين. Here we are. If you master that and we keep it short, you are in control how to use your cardinal number in terms of number 21. So we take it step by step. So next lesson, we're going to tackle the 22. I think is be digestible that way. Easy to understand if we take it, short, I think. Okay, so yes, again, please, my charity is appealing to you. My charity is Helping Hands for Education, where we're trying to build the educational center for the children of my hometown back in Nigeria. Please do help, and the link below gives you how you can make your donation, whether you are in Europe, America, or indeed you are in Nigeria. And thank you so much for some of you who have been very generous and extended their hands of help. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. We'll see you next time, inshallah, when we're going to tackle the, I think, number 22. Alright then, in the meantime, مع السلامة, إلى اللقاء في أمان الله.